If you're hot, then you're cold. You're yes, then you're no. You're in, then you're
Wait, how long have you guys been dating?
About 5 years.
Would you guys want to do a phone swap?
We've been dating for 1 month.
Oh, 1 month?
1 month.
So that's now?
Yeah, that's it. I mean, we do phone swaps all the time, you know?
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
Bro, do it for the video though. Like, come on. What? YouTube, TikTok, everything, bro. What?
Okay.
Go there. Go.
Okay. Okay. Wait. Where do we go?
You guys have Snap?
Yeah.
Oh, just go through all your messages
Okay. Here.
with other girls.
Okay. Here. Who's
There you go.
Quinn? Who the
Whoa.
hell? Who the hell is Lana? Who's
Whoa.
Quinn? Why are you asking her to hang out, Brooke?
Chat, this is crazy. What the heck?
Why did you leave your text with her?